Hello student, in this video I will teach you electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarine. What is meant by halogen? Halogen means the fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine are halogens, and the arine means benzene ring. Here chlorine is attached to benzene. Benzene is arine. It is an haloarine. It is chlorobenzene. Here we can see the reactions of electrophilic substitution reaction in haloarine. Here electrophile is substitute on the haloarine. Electrophile means electron deficient species. Substitution means replacement. Here, as we know, the haloarines having plus R effect. Therefore, at ortho, this is the ortho position. This is the meta and this is the para position. At ortho position is electron rich. As we know, the para position is also electron rich and meta position is electron deficient in chlorobenzene. According to the resonance structure, the chlorobenzene is electron donating, it ring activating. Here ring activating group is chlorine. Therefore, the ortho and para position of chlorobenzene is ring activating position, and at ortho and para position is electron rich because it having the negative charge. Therefore, where electrophile goes to ortho and para position. Why? Because electrophile having positive charge and this ortho and para position is electron rich having a negative charge. Therefore, electrophiles comes to ortho and para position. Now we can see the first reaction is halogenation. In halogenation reaction, electrophile is halogen. Here halogen is chlorine. Here halogen is chlorine. If electrophile is Cl plus, how it is generated? When Cl2 in presence of FeCl3. FeCl3 is Lewis catalyst. Here anhydrous FeCl3 is used. It used as a catalyst. What is the role of catalyst? Catalyst role is for generation of for generation of electrophile. This is the role of FeCl3. If we add this catalyst, then the rate of reaction is increased. Why rate of reaction is increased? Because here the role of FeCl3 is as a catalyst, and where Cl goes at ortho and para position. Why ortho position? Because ortho position is electron rich because it having negative charge, and we get two products. This is the product, and another product is at para position also chlorine. What is the name of compound? The name of compound is 1,2-dichlorobenzene. 1,2-dichlorobenzene, and this is the 1,4-dichlorobenzene. The name is very important because the name having half marks in the exam. So always remember, write the name of the product and the starting material. The starting material is chlorobenzene, and this is the 1,2-dichlorobenzene. This is the 1,4-dichlorobenzene. Now we can see next reaction. Next reaction is nitration reaction. What are the reagents used for the nitration reaction, and what are the electrophile? The electrophile is NO2 plus, and the starting material is chlorobenzene. Starting material is chlorobenzene and electrophile is NO2 plus. How it is generated? Here we use concentrated H2SO4 as a catalyst for generation of carbocation, and here the NO2 plus is generated from the HNO3. It is a nitric acid. Now where NO2 is added, NO2 adds to ortho and para position. Why? Because the ortho and para position is electron rich. Ortho and para position is electron rich. Therefore, electrophile goes to ortho and para position. What is the name of the compound? The name of the compound is 1-chloro-2-nitro-benzene. At one position chlorine, at two position nitro group. Therefore, name is 1-chloro-2-nitro-benzene. Here at 4 position nitro group. Therefore, name is 1-chloro-4-nitro-benzene. Always write the name of the product and starting material. The starting material name is chlorobenzene. Next reaction is sulfonation reaction. Here the reagent used is, what are the reagent for sulfonation reaction? The reagent is concentrated H2SO4. Here the electrophile is SO3H. Here electrophile is SO3H. Where it is attached? It attached at ortho and para position. Why ortho and para position? Because ortho position is electron rich and para position is electron rich. What is the name of the compound? Name of the compound is 1-chlorosulfonic acid, and here name is, numbering start here, 4-chlorosulfonic acid. The name is 4-chlorosulfonic acid. And ortho product is major or para? The ortho product is minor and para product is major. Why? Due to steric hindrance. Due to steric hindrance, ortho product is minor. Always remember, ortho product is minor in electrophilic substitution reaction of haloarine, and the major product is para. Why para product is major? Because there is no steric hindrance. Here, due to the bulky group, here is the steric hindrance. Therefore, the minor product is ortho and para products are major. Now we can see the Friedel-Crafts reaction. The Friedel-Crafts reaction, here two types of Friedel-Crafts reaction. One is Friedel-Crafts alkylation. First we can see the Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction. What are the reagent used for Friedel-Crafts alkylation reaction? Reagent is CH3Cl and AlCl3. It acts as a Lewis acid. It acts as a catalyst. Here we use anhydrous AlCl3. Here what is the electrophile? The electrophile is CH3 plus, and where it is goes, this is the structure of chlorobenzene. The chlorobenzene ortho and para position is electron rich. Here we use CH3Cl and here we use catalyst AlCl3. Here CH3Cl generates CH3 plus, and to increase the rate of carbocation, here CH3 plus is carbocation. Here for increase the rate of electrophile we add the AlCl3, and the product is this and this. Here we get ortho and para product. Which product is major, which is minor? The ortho product is minor and the para product is major. Why para is major? Because there is no steric hindrance, and in ortho product there is a steric hindrance. What is the name of the compound here? The name of compound is 1-chlorotoluene. 1-chlorotoluene. And what is the name of the compound? The second compound name is 4-chlorotoluene. 4-chlorotoluene. At 4 position chlorine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we can see next reaction is Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. Friedel-Crafts acylation reaction. What are the reagent? Reagent is CH3COCl. It is an acetyl chloride. The electrophile in this reaction is CH3CO+. This is the electrophile. It adds to ortho and para position. And what are the reagent? Here Lewis acid catalyst is AlCl3 is used. Here anhydrous AlCl3 catalyst is used. Why it is used? For generation of the electrophile. Here we use the catalyst. Here the chlorobenzene on reaction with AlCl3, anhydrous AlCl3 and the acetyl chloride, we get at